burps.
Give us the big burp, bud.
Why couldn't you give it to me? Oh, there's a little one. That's not the man one I hear about.
Pictures. Look like cute.
Really?
I'm just going to torment her every day for the rest of her life.
What is with that? What is with that quivering lip? Okay. Hey.
They were like,
Beautiful boy.
So the other ones, they were like,